This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Every time you chat with ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, your conversations don't just disappear. They get stored on servers, analysed, sometimes even used to train the next version of the model you're talking to. And here's what most people don't realise: those servers get hacked. Earlier this year, a security researcher found over 300 million chat messages from 25 million users leaked from a single AI app. Everything people typed, their deepest questions, medical concerns, legal problems, all exposed. A few months before that, security researchers discovered over 225,000 ChatGPT credentials being sold on dark web markets. And because of a court case, OpenAI is now legally required to keep your deleted conversations indefinitely. But what if your AI never connected to the internet at all? What if your phone became the entire AI? That's exactly what's happening right now. And honestly, the performance is way better than I expected. Your smartphone processor in 2026 is a beast. Apple's A17 Pro can handle 35 trillion operations per second. Snapdragon 8. Gen 3 has a dedicated neural processing unit specifically designed for this. These chips are more powerful than the laptops most people used in 2018. And developers have figured out how to run legitimate language models entirely on these chips. We're talking 15 to 30 tokens per second on flagship phones. That's faster than you can read. Here's how it actually works. The models that run on phones are smaller than cloud models. Instead of GPT-4's hundreds of billions of parameters, phone models run between 1 and 7 billion parameters. But a technique called quantization compresses these models down dramatically. A 4-bit quantized model uses about half the memory of the original with barely any quality loss. And for everyday tasks like drafting emails, summarizing documents, answering questions, brainstorming ideas, these smaller models handle it without breaking a sweat. Several apps make this dead simple. Off-Grid runs on both iPhone and Android and supports models like Qwen 3, Llama 3.2, Gemma 3, and 5.4. Smallchat works with any GGUF model file directly. Google's AI Edge Gallery lets you run Gemma models with a slick chat interface. You download the app, grab a model, and you're running AI completely offline. No account required. No data leaving your device. Ever. The sweet spot for hardware is 8 GB of RAM. iPhones 15 Pro and 16 Pro hit this perfectly, running 3 to 4 billion parameter models at smooth speeds. Android phones with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or newer get similar results. Even 6 GB phones can run smaller 1 to 2 billion parameter models, which still handle most tasks well. One thing to know, battery drain is real. First generation users reported 50% battery gone in about 90 minutes of heavy use. But newer implementations have power saving modes that help. The implications here are massive. Doctors could process patient notes without HIPAA concerns. Lawyers could draft documents without privilege issues. Journalists could work on sensitive stories knowing their AI assistant can't be subpoenaed. And for regular people, you could finally ask AI your embarrassing questions without wondering who else might see them. This is the beginning of something important. Cloud AI isn't going away, but having a private AI that works without internet, without subscriptions, without surveillance, that changes the relationship between humans and AI entirely. If this video helped you understand local AI better, do me a favor and subscribe to AIX. We cover the AI and robotics breakthroughs that actually matter before they become headlines.